Greetings, viewers. Welcome to today's session, where we will guide you through the process of setting up HTTP custom with UDP settings. This tutorial is designed to enhance your online experience while ensuring a secure and optimized connection. Let's get started. Step 1. Begin by opening Chrome and searching for 12.5 Tech. This will direct you to a valuable resource for our setup. Step 2. Once you've located the website, click on the website icon to access it. Step 3. Upon landing on the home page, look for the menu button represented by 3 horizontal lines. This will help you navigate easily. Step 4. From the menu, select UDP Custom Servers to explore the available options. Step 5. You will see a list of presented servers. Choose a server that suits your preferences, ideally one located in your desired region. Step 6. Next, enter your username and password and complete the reCAPTCHA verification. This step is crucial for ensuring the security of your account. Step 7. Click on Create Server. Once your account is successfully created, proceed by clicking the Copy button to save your account details. Step 8. To use your UDP account information with HTTP Custom, install the HTTP Custom app from the Google Play Store if you haven't done so already. Step 9. Open the app, and you will be greeted by the home screen. Make sure to tick the box labeled UDP Custom. Step 10. Now, carefully paste your previously copied UDP account details into the respective fields within the app. Step 11. Finally, tap on the connector button to initiate the connection. This marks the beginning of a more secure online experience. We encourage you to join our community on Telegram and WhatsApp for support and updates. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Feel free to leave a comment if you have any questions or if any part of this tutorial was unclear. Your engagement is important to us, and we're here to help you.